Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor, and today's recipe is Paneer Roll. Here I am using whole wheat atta and making the rolls. You can even use maida or all-purpose flour and make your rolls. So to make our paneer roll, first I'll show you the ingredients that we need to make the stuffing. So to make the stuffing, I have taken 1.5 tablespoons of oil, one medium-sized onion which I have chopped finely, 1 bay leaf, 1 elaichi or cardamom, and 2 cloves. Some Kasuri methi, 2 blanched tomatoes puree. I have actually blanched it in hot water, taken off the peel of the tomato, and then I have blended it into the blender jar. If you don't have the time to blanch it and all, just puree 2 tomatoes and you can add it. While sauteing, you have to saute it for a little more longer. Salt to your taste, half a tablespoon of Dhaniya powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam masala, 1 tablespoon of Chilli powder, ginger and garlic paste, about 200 grams of paneer. To make the rolls, I have taken your whole wheat atta and I am using some milk here. This is about half a glass of milk. I don't think we need the entire milk. This atta that I have taken, you can easily make around 5 rolls. I have also added about half a tablespoon of salt to this. To the assembly part of the roll, to assemble it, I am going to be using the stuffing and also cucumber, 1 onion which I have cut into small slices like this, and I have also cut the cucumber into small dices like this. So this is optional. If you want, you can just roll it and add some cheese if you want to, or you can just add these 2 ingredients and minus out the cheese, or you can add these 2 ingredients and add more cheese also to it. So first we'll make our dough for our rolls. We'll add in our milk to this. Here I'm using milk because I want the roll to be soft. If you don't want, if you don't have milk, then you can actually use water also. Using milk is optional. When you're mixing your dough, ensure that your dough is not too hard or not too soft. So just keep this on the side and add some more milk to it. So now we'll take some more of this mixture, add it on top. Just press this all together. Now our dough for our rolls is done. So now this is neither too hard nor too soft. We'll just put this aside. You can cover it with a nice muslin cloth which is wet, or just close another plate on this and let it rest. So coming to the next process of making our stuffing, first we'll have to heat our pan. Once our pan is heated, we'll add in our oil. Now once our oil is heated, we'll add in our bay leaf, our khada masala as in elaichi and long. Once our khada masalas release their oil, take it off. Now add in the ginger garlic paste first. Then after 10 seconds, we will add in our onions. Keep your flame on medium when you're doing all of this. Saute your onions till when they turn brown in color. Just when our onions start turning brown, we'll add in our kasuri methi. Add in our blanched tomato puree. We'll saute this blanched tomato puree for about a minute or so. It's already blanched. You don't have to worry about the tomato being cooked or no. If you're using just the tomato puree, saute it. Tomato puree starts releasing some oil. Next step, you're going to add in some red chilli powder, Dhaniya powder, Garam masala, and saute these dry masalas also for about a minute or so along with the puree. Keep your flame on medium while you're doing all of this. We'll add in our salt. Mix this as well. See, now all our masalas are cooked and everything, and even our purees and masalas have started releasing the oil. Just add about 1 tablespoon of water. Mix this. Close the lid of this and we let it cook for about a minute or so, just on medium flame. After about a minute or so, we'll take this out and we'll add the paneer. Mix the paneer along with the masala with very gentle and light hand and turn off our heat. Now our stuffing is ready. Now we'll get into the next process of making our roll. Now our dough has been resting for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after this, now we'll make small round balls of this. Alright, so after doing small round pedas or balls like this of the dough, now we'll get into the next process of. So first, we will take a roll it like this in between our palms and press it. We'll just dust it in the flour like this. We'll roll it using a rolling pin. Have have very light hands. Don't press it too hard or something. If you feel your chapati or your dough is getting stuck to the rolling pin, or dust it again with the more flour. You have to make your rolls really nice and thin. You can even roll it into neither too thin or neither too thick. If you have chapatis which are there at home and you don't have sabzi, you can just make the sabzi and roll it in your chapati and also enjoy this roll. So now our roll chapati is ready. Similarly, I'll roll the other chapatis as well. Sorry, other rolls as well. So now to make our rolls, first we'll have to heat a tawa. Once our tawa has been heated, now we'll add in our rolled chapatis. Now, as soon as you start seeing there are some bubbles on top of this, just take about 1/4 teaspoon of oil, spread it everywhere, and then flip it. Now we'll add some more oil on this end as well, and then we'll flip it again. Now one of our roll is done. So coming to the assembling part of the rolls, we'll take the stuffing, put it in between. Now we'll add in our onion and our cucumber, and we'll roll this out. So there is our one roll which is ready. Similarly, we'll make one more. If you want, you can even add chilies to this. So now both our rolls are ready. Now we'll serve it into our serving plates. So there you go, our paneer roll is ready. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon which is there right next to the subscription button, so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.